A very good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 18th October 2021. In the international market, with US CPI increase and better than expected unemployment rate, market is anticipating that the Fed will be on track with tapering program, which is expected by mid-November or mid-December. US 10-year yields are at 159 percentage points and 30-year at 2.05 percentage points on Friday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $85.29 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 83 to 87. Crude has also breached the psychological level of $85, and now the Indian bond traders will be really worried with every single dollar rise, as it adds to the current account deficit and larger crude oil import bill. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 93.97. DXY's today's range seems to be 93.76 to 94.29. USD CNY or Chinese yuan at 6.44. USD INR with a high of 75.37 closed at 75.25. Please note that the market was closed on Friday on account of the Shiraz holiday and will be closed tomorrow as well for Eid Milad. USD INR's support does exist at 74.95 and resistance at 75.35. We expect the USD INR to consolidate near 75 levels. In the trading strategy for USD INR, the USD INR pair is expected to trade in a narrow range. Knight Research continues to maintain the same stance, no directional bias, but 75 looks more feasible. In the domestic market, 610-2031 auction cutoff on Thursday disappointed the market, as there is no outright OMO announcement yet. Where 610-2031 might be a prime candidate, traders avoided taking bets on 610-2031. The supply side worries on the longer end of the curve still haunts and gives another reason for the investors to demand higher yields in auctions. 14th October 2021's GSEC auction cutoffs: 610-2031 at 633 for rupees 13,000 crores. GOI FRB 2034 at 4.43 percentage points. Almost 610-2031 cutoff at 633 was more than the market anticipation. The prices were lower, the yields were higher, and hence the markets fell on Friday. 563-2026 closed at 567 versus 566 the previous trading day. 610-2031 closed at 633 versus 631 the previous trading day. Trading strategy for domestic bond market: the crude is going to be a bigger problem for the traders as it has reached $85 per barrel mark. Traders may book profits in 563-2031 around 565-567 range if purchase was near 573 recommended last Tuesday. This would result in a 6 basis points gain in a week apart from interest coupon. For active traders who had sold 610-2031 before Thursday's GSEC auction, as we had suggested, and booked profits, may opt to re-enter after carefully watching crude situations. Trading range for 610-2031 seems to be 631 to 635. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.